looking at, it is lovely, it's very nice. I used a mixture of marker, a Sharpie marker and a biro.
I mean, that is your art A level being put to use right there.
Yeah, that's my A star right there. So hopefully someone will give us a honk and I'll get it on camera. And just in case people don't know what honk means, I decided to put beat. Yeah, because some people are stupid.
Basically. In a moment.
And also, someone might think of it as like a euphemism like Chris did.
Yeah.
Got some lovely bingo cards. I've got a nice bounty. Got sat nav, yeah. Very technological in this car. So how old are you now?
22. So I would sing Taylor Swift, but then she would take down this video because Taylor Swift is not very nice.
And we don't want that. Best song to listen to whilst in a car. So we've just been to the service station.
We have.
I've got my medium chai latte. Chris has got his speciality latte.
Yeah.
But
vanilla is their speciality.
Apparently. This is where we'll be staying for the night.
Yeah, let's go to Tesco.
This is where we're staying for the night, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
that's where we're living. Yeah.
That's where we're living for the night. So it looks nice and warm. Got Chris with these fancy water there.
Delicious water.
What water is it?
San Pellegrino for all the product placement.
Other brands are available.
Yeah, other brands are available. Not to Chris though. Right, you need to be going. It's the
Chris is very good at directions. Read by Chris Barrett.
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto A610.
Who needs tom-toms when you've got Chris and a phone?
Yeah, I should do sat nav. Singers of song. That's when I start promising the world to a brand new girl I don't even know yet.
I think I put you under a bit of pressure there.
You know the words anyway.
Oh right. We are very close to Ollie's now. Which is where we've been driving to this entire time, which I didn't mention earlier. Nearly Nottingham now.
Oh, you missed it.
Very close to Nottingham. No one's honked for my sign yet. Very disappointed that I've not seen an actual forest yet. There's a tree.
1.1 miles, turn right onto Western Boulevard.
Not really sure what forest though. Yes! Gave us a honk. The sign worked.